Hello, what am I doing? She is doing the laundry at home, but she is not cooking pizza. The man is reading a book, but the man is not dancing cumbia. The girl is playing in the park, but the girl is not crying. The teacher is working, but the teacher is not playing. He is writing poetry, but he is not speaking. My aunt is buying clothes, but my aunt is not working. The boy is sleeping in his bed, but the boy is not studying. The girl is singing salsa, but the girl is not screaming. She is driving the car, but she is not talking on the cell phone. The lady is playing the piano, but the lady is not singing. Thank you very much.